I got 19
Morning.
orders in just 4
today,
days.
guys, I'll show you my G shop. This is my TikTok shop. I think I started like 3 days ago, and I got orders already. And this is my today. I got one order for today. If you can see on my commission here, so there's nothing yet because it's still pending. So these are my orders from like 3 days ago or 4 days ago, because this is the date. Look guys, this was May 11. The first one is today. This is May 10, May 10, May 10, it's May 10, May 10, May 11, May 8, May 11, May 10, May 10, May 10, May 10, May 11, May 11, May 11, May 9. So let's view more. So these are all pending, guys. It's not yet settled. So pag na-receive na to lahat, then you can get your, now it's already here and settled. So it's not yet, sir. They're all still pending. So I got 19 orders. Look, if you can see, I got 19 orders. So it's working, guys. So be one of the TikTok affiliates now. It's very recommended. So I just started like May 8, May 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is 4 days ago, and I got 19 orders already. So hopefully you can get yours now too. Bye. Good luck.